rights? Isn't justice?
Your Honor, with all due respect, we aren't in your constitutional law class anymore. This is the real world.
I know you see more of the real world than anybody should have to. It took guts to come back, and I'm glad you did. But you can't afford to forget why you became an ADA in the first place. The Alexandra Cabot I remember wouldn't even consider railroading this poor young man.
You were right. I was out for blood.
And I was about to call you. I think I know what's really wrong with Jeffrey.
What difference does it make? Incompetent is incompetent.
Tragedy, and it didn't have to be that way.
How can you be sure?
We need to talk to his mother.
I can't talk to you.
Mrs. Lynn. Please.
When Jeffrey was a baby, did he hit all his developmental milestones?
Yeah, he was fine until he was 5.
And then what happened?
He had a seizure.
We should put this on YouTube.
Brain swell.
Yeah, you think so? Put on YouTube your dad snoring.
He thought he was going to die. When he finally recovered, he did get that. He wasn't the same. Dr. Kepler said it was a miracle.
A newborn baby with big fat
Did you know what caused the seizure?
Yeah.
He said it was
We could put it on YouTube.
Dr. Kepler missed Jeffrey's pica.
What is pica?
It's a rare neurological disorder in which a person eats objects other than food, like when Jeffrey was chewing on a pencil and cord.
Notice our videotaping him.
That's why the company
I
don't think he noticed it's going to be nationwide.
Famous.
Is there any chance?
You'll never know how famous